This is a super quick tutorial on how to transfer your Virgin Atlantic points into Virgin Atlantic in less than 60 seconds. If you know your Virgin Atlantic membership number already, skip ahead using the timestamps. Here we go, let's start the timer. You'll want to go to virginatlantic.com, go to Flying Club, go to My Account. You'll now want to log in, click continue. It might send you a verification code. Enter said verification code. At the top of the page, you'll see your membership number right here. Next step is to go to American Express. Go to log into your account. If you have a verification password, use it. Go to rewards and benefits. Go to earn and redeem. Go to transfer points, find your Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. I have mine linked already. Show details and say link another account. Enter your Flying Club information here. Select the card member and click continue. Then select the amount that you want to transfer. One of the awesome things about Virgin Atlantic is that they have a transfer bonus most of the time. Right now there's a 40% bonus. So if, for example, if you transfer 10,000, you actually get 14,000 Virgin point. Make sure that everything looks good and then click submit transfer. That's how you transfer American Express to Virgin Atlantic points.